So, Rashma, yesterday I thought that uh, what is congruency? Okay, yesterday I thought what is congruency. For example, there is a triangle, okay, and another triangle, okay. Congruency is when this one triangle exactly covers the other triangle without leaving any edges. When one triangle covers the another triangle completely, its surface, without leaving any space. That is congruency. Okay, that thing I taught. Now, the thing is that there are some rules. Okay, do we identify? How do we identify that a triangle is totally equal to the other triangle? What I taught yesterday is using its sides. Okay, sides. If this is 4, this is 4, and this is 4, then the other triangle also, this also should be 4, 4, and 4. So when all the sides are equal, when in a triangle all the sides are equal, it is congruent. That is known as SSS rule. That is known as SSS rule. Side rule. Today I will teach you SAS rule. Side angle side rule. Okay, this is explained in detail in the yesterday's class video. You can watch that. Today the thing that we will talk about is side angle side angle side, known as SAS congruency rule. I don't want you to write right now. I don't want you to write. I just want you to listen and look on the board. Okay, when I am explaining it to you. Okay, now the side angle side congruency rule says that in a triangle, look at the diagram. Okay, look at the diagram. Suppose we have two triangles. We have two triangles. Okay. I have two triangles. This rule says that two sides and the angle between them should be equal. Okay. The two corresponding sides and the angle between them should be equal. What does this mean now? What does this mean? See, for example, let's name these triangles A, B, C, and P, Q, R. The rule says that AB is 5, PQ should also be 5, AC is 4, PR should be 4. What is the angle coming between PQ and PR? PQ and PR, what angle is coming? This angle. This angle is coming between them. Okay, angle A and angle in between AB and AC, angle A is coming. Between PQ and PR, angle P is common. So these should be equal. If A is 50 degree, A is 50, P also has to be 50. Okay, so two sides. Okay, yesterday I explained the meaning of corresponding sides. What are corresponding sides? Those sides means this left side of this triangle and the left side of this triangle. This is corresponding. Then the right side of this triangle and the right side of this triangle. That is corresponding. Then the base of this triangle and the base of this triangle, both are corresponding. Okay, both are corresponding to each other. Okay, base BC and base QR is the corresponding sides. Means the same side. They are this triangle ke these sides and both triangle these sides. Okay, that are corresponding sides. So this rule says that any two corresponding sides and the angle between them, any two corresponding sides and the angle between them has to be equal. Okay, has to be equal. Look at another example. Okay, look at another example. For example, same triangles we will use. Okay, this time let's take BC. Okay, BC is 4 or say BC is 5. QR is the side that is same to BC. BC is base, QR is base. So QR also has to be 5. Let's take AC. AC is 6. Okay. So PR also has to be 6. What is the angle between them? BC and AC? C angle. Okay. C angle. And between QR and PR, angle R is common. So if this is 50 degree, this will also be 50 degrees. So this is what the rule says. I'm writing down the definition. Okay. I'm writing down the definition. Uh, Understand it and then I'll give you time to write it. Okay. I'll give you time to write it. If in any two triangles, if in any two triangles, two sides, two sides, and their included angle means the angle between them, their included angle is uh, of one triangle is equal to of one triangle means this triangle is equal to the the corresponding let's write G here. Okay, corresponding sides and their included angle, their included angle of the other triangle, of the other triangle means which triangle? This triangle. Okay, then then they are congruent under side, yes, Joshua, angle,
Ma'am, ma'am, can I just go and come back for a
side
moment?
rule. Yeah, come back quickly, okay? Emma, write this down. Now you can copy it.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Is there any doubt? Is there any doubt you can ask me now? Any doubt in this concept? The SAS rule, side angle side rule. Any doubt in this concept?
Not really, Mama.
No? Oh, write this down.
Don't.
Ma'am, I'm back, ma'am.
Okay, Joshua. Any doubt in this concept, Joshua? Any doubt in this particular concept? Side angle side.
Uh, yes, I think, ma'am. It says if
Okay.
any two triangles two sides, and their included angle. You said
Hmm.
included angle is the angle between them, or
Hmm.
something like that, ma'am. I didn't
Yes,
understand
Joshua.
that part, ma'am.
You understand what part? Okay.
You said the included angle.
Hmm. Hmm.
You said,
Okay. See. Yes, I said the included angle means the angle between them. This side, for example, this side, this side, and this side we are taking, and this side and this side we are taking. Okay, of this triangle, the lower side and the right side we are taking. Okay, AC and BC, and the other triangle PR and QR. What is the angle between them? Between these two sides, this angle is coming. Between them, this angle is coming. So all this, those two sides and the angle between them should be equal. Then only both the triangles will cover each other completely. Okay, this is what I mean. Understood now?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Hmm. Please write this down.
Ma'am, uh, it
Yes,
says
Rachna.
if any two triangles two sides and their included angle of, it
One
says,
triangle. One,
thank
O
you.
N one. One triangle. Let me know when you're done writing. So we will move on to the next concept. Okay.
Ma'am, what is the last word, ma'am? Is that rule?
Yes, Joshua, that is rule. Are you
Thank you,
ready?
ma'am.
Yeah.
Done.
Done. Am I done? Am I done writing?
Yes, ma'am. Just about
Oh,
to finish.
just about to.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah, ma'am.
done. Okay, the next rule. The next rule that we will talk about is the uh, ASA rule. Okay, the ASA rule. What is ASA? Angle side angle rule. So, for example, we have two triangles. Okay, take a look. We have two triangles. One second. Okay, can you see the two triangles? Now, I want to know if these triangles are congruent to each other or not. Okay, I want to know if my triangles are congruent to each other or no. Okay, what I will do, I will uh, follow the ASA rule. The third rule is the angle side angle. Now, then in this rule, we include two angles in one side. In the previous one, there were two sides and one angle. In this one, two angles and the side between them. Okay, two angles and the side between them. For example, I will name them triangle again ABC and PQR. Okay. Now, see, look at the twist. Okay. First, I will mark the side. If I'm marking this side BC, okay, 5 centimeter, and QR is also 5 centimeter. Okay, BC is 5 centimeter, QR also 5 centimeter. What two angles, ma'am, we will take? What two angles we will take, ma'am? We will take angle B and angle C. One second. Angle B and angle C. And we will take in this one, we will take angle Q and angle R. Okay. Angle BC, that is on the line BC. On line BC, what two angles are there? Angle B and angle C. On line QR, what two angles are there? Angle Q and angle R. That is what you have to take down. So if angle B is 50 degree, if this angle is 50 degree, Q also has to be 50. If C is 60 degree, R also has to be 60 degree. Okay. So what main thing is there? What main thing is there? Okay. One side, two angles. What two angles? Those two angles which are formed on those sides. Okay. What two angles? Those two angles which are formed on that side. Okay. PC I'm taking angle B and angle C. QR I'm taking angle Q and angle R. Understood? Understood or no? This is known as angle side angle rule. Okay. This is known as angle side angle rule. Okay. One second. angle, side, side, angle. Should okay. The angle, side angle, rule. Now tell me, Joshua and Abraham, is it clear? Joshua and Emma, is it clear or not? Understood or not? Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Joshua. Okay. And Joshua?
Ma'am, I don't think I understood because you had said last for side SAS. You had said it's supposed to be even the angle.
Yeah,
Included
that
angle is supposed to
was,
be even.
yes, that was SAS. This is ASA, angle, side angle. Okay, angle, side angle. This is the opposite of SAS. Okay, ASA. What happens in ASA, Joshua? Okay, I'll explain it to you once again. I want you to look at the diagram. Okay, I want you to look at the diagram. I will explain it to you. ASA. Okay, okay. Joshua, choose any one side from triangle ABC. Choose any one side and tell me.
Like something like AC.
AC. Okay, AC. AC you've taken. Okay. Okay. Tell me any number, any measure for AC. Any measure for AC.
20.
20. You said 20.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Good. 20 you said. Okay. So I will write 20 here. Okay. I will write 20 here. 20. Okay. So what is the side, Joshua, in triangle PQR, which is same as AC? What is the side in PQR which looks same to you as AC?
I think PQ.
No, PR. The side one, yeah, PR. This is 20. Also 20. Now come back to first triangle. Come back to the first triangle ABC. Now tell me, Joshua, you chose AC. What two angles are coming in AC? What two angles are coming in AC? Yes, Joshua.
Ma'am, I
What
didn't get
two
that.
angles are coming? You didn't get it. You didn't get my question. Okay. You made AC. You made AC. AC is between what two angles? AC is between angle A and angle C. Okay. Yes. AC is coming between this angle and this angle. Right. So, and PR is coming between this angle and this angle. Angle P and R. Right. So this angle A, if the angle A is 50 degree, angle P also has to be 50. And angle C is 60. If C is 60, R will also be 60. If, if it looks like this, like the angles are equal and the side is also equal, two angles and one side between them. Okay, two angles and one side between them all has to be equal. That means that this triangle will exactly overlap this triangle. Okay, when you place it on the first triangle, it will exactly overlap the first triangle. Understood? Understood, Joshua? Now,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, good.
Let me use it.
Now, okay, it's very easy. Yes, it's very easy. Simple it is. Okay, I'm going to write it. I'm going to write it for you.
हाँ पुष्पा जी, आगे कहाँ? हाँ मेरी गाड़ी तो पहचानते हो ना, वैगन आर खड़ी है ना। हाँ हाँ यही मेरी गाड़ी भी है। आ जाओ आ जाओ। हाँ।
When I say their included side, means here the side between the angles. In the other one, in SAS, when I said their included angle, means angle is between the two sides. Here, the side is between the two angles. Okay, included side of the other triangle of the other triangle, then the two triangles, then the two triangles are congruent by angle side angle rule. Angle side angle rule. Yes, now you can write down. Okay, now you can write down. Joshua, when you watch yesterday's video, that is the first rule that I taught. Side rule. All the three sides are equal in that rule. Okay, all the three sides should be equal in both the triangles. I taught SSS rule in yesterday's class. Today I taught you SAS side angle side and ASA angle side angle rule. Okay. Okay, please write down. Please write down.
Ma'am, did you full? Thank you, ma'am.
Done.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, 1 minute. Just give me 1 minute.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, Emma.
काम करने के तरीके से तरीके से ये है ना, दूसरी बात 6:30 बजे बुला लेते
All right,
रात को
so
8 बजे छोड़ते थे
we will stop here for today. Okay,
और छुट्टी दे दी बोतल में
we will
कितना पानी
stop here for today. And tomorrow, I'm going to start with you the RHS rule. Okay, those are for right angle triangles. RHS rule is right angle, hypotenuse side. R means right angle, H means hypotenuse, S is side. What is all this, ma'am? I'll explain tomorrow. Okay, that is a rule for right angle triangles. Okay, we'll do that tomorrow. So that's all for today. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a good day. Bye.